have one of those moments where you just stand there and blink? Because that was me. I'm coming home from a huge event. Yup, I was tired, ready to be in my house, not talk to nobody. And I walk past my car and I see it. Sure did. A deep freaking scratch. Not a little one. Oh no. Oh, that might buff out scratch. It was a hellified scratch, must I say. No. I'm talking about something hit my car and kept on going type of scratch. And immediately, I'm like, now wait a minute. When did the F did this happen? So what do? I turn into a whole investigator. Yes, I did. I go inside, pull up my camera footage, and y'all, I had to go through 3.5 days of camera footage. 3 days. Click, fast forwarding, squinting, rewinding, playing a little bit more, rewinding back. You get my drift, right? Because at this point, it's not even about the scratch anymore. Now your girl need answers, okay? And then I see it. This little kid learning how to ride his bike come wobbling down the street. And before I can even process what's about to happen, boom, right into the car. And I'm thinking, you gotta be kidding me, y'all. But wait, it gets better. Because after he hits my car, he looks at another kid and says, insert name. I hit somebody's car. Like, sir, you aware you hit somebody's car? So now I'm like, okay, this is a whole situation. And the crazy part, I've seen this kid around the neighborhood before. So I start asking my neighbor, y'all know who this kid is? And then I tell you, they didn't just say yes. They walked me right to the kid's house. Wrong idea, but right idea, right? So now, tomorrow, I'm going to have a conversation with this kid's parent. And listen, I'm hoping this goes the easy way. But either way, I'm going to keep you posted, okay? So drop in the comment what you think this outcome is going to be, because I'm going to have a follow-up video after I talk to the kid's parent. So let's just go ahead and get into the fabric haul that you're here for. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Rochelle. If you are new here, welcome. Hello, ciao, guten tag, aloha, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan, sapalani, salom, bonjour, tarve. If you are returning, you guys know who I am. I am Rochelle, your instruction decoder and your pattern enabler. And on this video, you guys know that I am going to be sharing with you guys some fabric that I picked up from fashionfabricclub.com. But here's the thing. This fabric is not even for myself. It is for my daughter. Now, in this package is only two. It's only two items. However, there are two more, I think it's two more fabrics that I picked up from fabricwarehousedirect.com. So I'm just going to put both of those fabrics, I think it's like 4 or 5 fabrics, all together in this video because it's all for my daughter. And I'm going to share, we really haven't solidified the actual pattern just yet, but I could tell you what it's going to be. And then when we solidify the actual pattern that we're going to use, I'll share the pattern with you guys in an upcoming video because it's going to be something that I do for her for the month of April. So I'll share that with you if I decide to do a April sewing plan, which I don't even think I'm going to do. You're just going to see in the month of April. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the fabric that I picked up from fashionfabricclubs.com and fabricwarehousedirect.com. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about it. And I'm going to go to my tables to share all 4 fabrics with you now. So let's go ahead and move over to the table so I can talk to you guys about that now. Let's go. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and talk about the fabrics that I picked up from both fashionfabricclubs.com as well as fashionwarehousedirect.com. I'm going to share the fabrics that I picked up from fashionfabricclubs.com. So this is the receipt. So I'm going to fold it because y'all don't need to see my address, right? So I'm just going to share this portion right here. You could see that I picked up 2 fabrics. I picked up a Blue Love print double brush knit fabric. I picked up 2 yards of the fabric. So I'll show you that one first. Wait a minute. It's only 1 fabric in here. What the heck? Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a minute. So they only shipped me 1 item. So I don't know where the other shipment is, but we're going to work with it. All right, so this is what they shipped me. I think the second one will be here, and I'll share that with you guys when it gets here. But the one that came today was, I thought it was both in this package, but it's only 1 item in this package. But it is the Blue Love print double brush knit fabric. I picked up 2 yards of this fabric. The price point is at $4.96. This was on sale, so I paid a total of $9.92 for this one. I'll be waiting on the Ivy Black Star printed poly spandex fabric. I'll share that with you guys when it gets here, but it's in a different shipment, which I was not aware of. All right. But I paid a total of $32.93 for 2 fabrics, but this one is the only one that came in. So I'm going to share this one with you guys. So this is what it looks like. This is going to be a cardigan is what she wants with this one. It is so lovely. It feels really, really soft, really, really nice. So this is what it looks like. And I'll drop the actual link of this fabric in the description box below if you are really interested in picking up this fabric. It is going to be a cardigan is what she wants for this fabric. All right. Once again, this was picked up from fashionfabricclubs.com. All right. Let's move over to the next fabric that she decided that she wanted, okay? Because she went a little fabric shopping, okay? I'm not even mad at her, but she went a little fabric shopping. All right, so these next 2 fabrics are from fabric. All right, so let's get over to the next fabric. These fabrics were picked up from Fabric Warehouse Direct. So the first fabric is this one right here. This one is, I don't know if you can actually see it really good on camera, but this one is a denim blue is the name of this fabric. I'll link it in the description box below, this one as well as the next one. This is actually a ITY jersey knit fabric, okay? It has really good stretch. This one, I picked up 2 yards of this fabric. Now, this is for a color block dress that we are going to be doing. I'll share the pattern number with you guys, providing that she doesn't change the pattern number. But I'll share the pattern number with you guys once I tell you guys what we are going to be doing for her in the month of April. All right, so just stay tuned for that. And the last fabric that we picked up from her, which is another ITY jersey knit. My daughter's into some knits, okay? Yeah. All right, so the last fabric that we picked up for her is, of course, if you notice, it's part of a blue. All right, so it's this one right here, which is like it's an ITY jersey knit royal blue. All right. Now, this is going to be part of a dress, a top, and a skirt. So this is going to be pretty much like a 3-piece set for this one. I picked up 7 yards of this royal blue ITY jersey knit fabric. Now, if you are looking at the price point for the ITY jersey knit fabric and Fabric Wholesale Direct is really, really good. I spent $6.99 per yard. However, if you spend a certain amount of fabric, if you buy a certain yardage of fabric, it goes down in price. So because I spent I did 7 yards for this royal blue and 2 yards for the denim blue, that's 9 yards. I ended up paying $6.65 per yard. For this per yard for both of the fabrics from fabrichwholesaledirect.com. So yeah, I really like this color and I'm hoping that she enjoys this color as well once we make up her top, her skirt, and her dress. Now, my daughter's going to be in the lab quite a bit in the month of April to help sew up all of her items. She's going to be in the lab helping sew up. So you will see her on video with me sewing up her items as well. All right. So that's all that we have for her in this haul. All right, you guys, there you have it. Those are all the fabrics that I picked up from both fashionfabricclubs.com and fabricwarehouse.com. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, you guys already know what to do. Give your girls a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Stay tuned for my next video as I'm going to be sharing with you guys. You guys already know it is a pattern haul. So stay tuned for my pattern haul as well. Until next time, keep going, keep sewing, and definitely keep growing. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.